In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView for Bitcoin futures trading. So let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to head on over to TradingView's website. If you're not familiar with it, TradingView is an excellent platform for tracking various markets, offering a comprehensive suite of tools tailored for traders. Once you are on the home page, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. It's your friend here, so let's put it to good use. Type BTC/USDT perpetual futures into the search bar. Now, this is crucial because futures trading on this pair allows you to engage in trading without owning the actual cryptocurrency. Essentially, you're speculating on the price movement, which can be highly beneficial if the market moves in your favor. After your search, go ahead and select BTC/USDT perpetual futures from the list of results. This will take you to a page brimming with information, but what we're focusing on is the launch chart option. So click on Launch Chart. This will bring up a detailed chart depicting the trading pair's price movement. The chart is an ensemble of various tools and indicators designed to help you make informed trading decisions. Feel free to play around with the settings and indicators here, as they can offer significant insights depending on your trading strategy. Now, in the lower part of your TradingView screen, you should see a panel labeled with something like Trading Panel or similar. Go ahead and activate the Trading Panel by clicking on it. This is an exciting feature because it enables direct trading through TradingView, acting like a bridge between you and your futures broker. Speaking of futures brokers, the next step is to connect your chosen broker. TradingView conveniently supports connections to popular futures brokers such as Binance and Bybit. So if you're already set up on one of these platforms, simply click to connect your account. Once you're connected, TradingView will provide seamless integration with your broker account, allowing you to place trades directly from the chart. This capability can be a game changer for managing your trades efficiently and on the go. When connected to Bybit, for instance, you'll notice a prompt saying, "Welcome to Bybit," or similar. You'll follow the process indicated to finalize the connection. As you get into the meat of trading, this connection ensures that you can execute your trades with precision and manage your positions directly within the TradingView platform. And that's it for our walkthrough today. We've gone from getting onto TradingView, diving into the BTC/USDT perpetual futures, and finally connecting your broker for a streamlined trading experience. TradingView is a powerful ally for both novice and experienced traders, and by implementing what we've covered today, you're well on your way to utilizing it effectively for Bitcoin futures trading. Thanks for joining, and happy trading.